Hello, this is Equations and Inequalities, solving absolute value equations and inequalities, example 2. And here we have an absolute value inequality. Um, these are pretty complicated. What we have to do is relatively simple, but understanding it, I think, is always very important. So let me do a little describing here. If we have the absolute value of x is less than or equal to 5, and we think about solutions for this, well, 5 works. Negative 5 also works. If it were negative 4 in there, we'd have 4 is less than 5. It was positive 4 for x, it would also work. So the solution for this is everything between negative 5 and positive 5. That's an AND condition. When the graph looks like this, and it's everything between, that's an AND condition. So that's what we will have here, an AND condition when it's strictly less than. And if we think of the opposite, the absolute value of x is greater than or equal to 5, well, the solutions are a little different. It's 6 works for this because the absolute value of 6 is 6, so 6 is greater than 5. Also, negative 6 works for this because the absolute value of negative 6 is 6, and 6 is greater than 5. So this solution works out this way, so that the solution on the graph looks like this. And when the solution looks like that, it's an OR condition. So when we have the absolute value of something is greater than or equal to, it'll be an OR condition. And when we have the absolute value is less than or equal to, this will be an AND condition. So that's what we have here. We have 2x plus 7 is less than 11, so this will be an AND condition. And we'll have, we'll have the AND compound inequality is written like this: 2x plus 7 in the middle, and we'll have a negative 11 down here, and over here we will have a positive 11. And then we can we'll solve this the way we solved compound inequalities. First, I'll add 7 to all three parts. Subtract 7 from all three parts. So here I'll have minus 18. In the middle I'll have 2x, and on this side when I subtract 7 I'll have 4. Now when I divide all three parts by 2, I'll have negative 9x, and this will be 2. So x is greater than negative 9 and x is less than 2.